Hello, my name is Brett Womack, and this is my module for reflection. The first question was reflect on why it's important for a teacher to have foundational knowledge of media technology, resolution, and compression. What did you learn from those sections? It's extremely important for a teacher to have a great deal of knowledge with the media these days. There's so many tools and resources out there a teacher can use in their classroom. There's so many of our students using technologies these days. Using that technology in your classrooms will make learning fun and challenging for the students. The one thing I learned and used in the Prezi was the screen recording, or the snapshot of my computer screen. I knew I could do that on my phone, but learning that in the reading was the first time I've actually done something like that before. I think that was a very interesting tool to learn, and something I will use later on other projects. The second question, describe your experience working with Prezi. Did you have challenges working with it? What did you dislike about the application as compared to using PowerPoint? This was my first time working with Prezi, so it was completely new to me. I've always worked on PowerPoint because that's what I've known and that's what I grew up with. The only challenges I had was just figuring out how everything really worked out. I had to watch a couple of videos just to get more comfortable with it, and then playing around and figuring out the different layers was really cool. What I did like about working with Prezi is that you can have different layers within a slide. So if you're talking about one thing and you have all your information there, you can go deeper into that layer and have a picture or a video or a clip of something and not have extra slides that you have to go to. Describe your experience working with Screencast-O-Matic or one of the other screen capture applications. Did you have challenges working with it? What are some of the ways you can see yourself using Capture as a teacher? This is not my first time using Screencast-O-Matic. I am using it with another class, and I have found that to be really easy to use, and something that I feel like I will use in my classroom with making lesson plans and videos for students to watch. I could use this as a teacher in so many ways. For example, if I was knew I was going to be gone one day and I was making my lesson plans for the sub, I could already have a video uploaded. The sub would just have to pull it up and show it to the students, and the kids would know exactly what they're doing that day and not have any questions. And the sub really wouldn't have to do a whole lot except for just play the video and then help the kids out with whatever they were doing.